Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8 Maths chapter Sets and Relations part 7. So, in this part we will learn about relations further. So, a relation can be defined as a subset of the Cartesian product of two sets. Relation So, since every relation is a set of ordered pairs, a relation can be defined as a subset of some Cartesian products. There is rule of the relation, so the property that tells us how the first component is related to the second component of each ordered pair is capital R, is called the rule of the relation. Next is domain and range of a relation. Domain and range. The set of first coordinates of all the ordered pairs of a relation R is called the domain of R, while the set of second coordinates of all ordered pairs of R is called the range of R. If R is equal to bracket 1 comma 2 bracket close comma 2 comma 3 bracket close comma 3 comma 4 bracket close comma 4 comma 5 bracket close, then domain range of R will be 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 bracket close. Range of R will be 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Now describing a relation. Describing. Describing a relation. A relation is usually described in the following ways. First is roster form or list form. Second, set builder form. Third, arrow diagrams. Fourth, tree diagrams. Fifth, graphical representation. First, roster form or list form. In this method of describing a relation, all the ordered pairs which satisfy the formula given in the relation are listed. Second, set builder form. In this method, the property connecting the first coordinate and the second coordinate of every ordered pair of the relation is stated. Third, the most important onwards is arrow diagrams and tree diagrams and graphs. So first we'll learn arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. So in arrow diagram, let the relation from x to y is described as bracket 1 comma 2 bracket close comma 4 comma 3 bracket close comma 5 comma 3 bracket close. Then it can be represented in the form of arrow diagram like this, two circles. Then x, circle 1 is x and circle 2 is y. First arrow 1 and 2. Second will be here 3, here 4 and 5, and this will be interconnected like this. This is the arrow diagram. Next is tree diagram. Fourth is tree diagram. If the relation between two sets is described as bracket 1 comma 2 bracket close comma bracket 1 comma 3 bracket close comma bracket 4 comma 2 bracket close comma bracket 5 comma 3 bracket close, it can be represented in the form of tree diagram like this. 1 4 5. Like this. This will be connected to 3 and this will be connected to two numbers, that is 2 and 3 like this. And the fifth one is graphical representation. The product set of A cross B. This sign is called cross sign of two sets A and B, provided they do not contain too many elements, can be represented on a coordinate plane. For that, let A is equal to bracket A comma B and B is equal to bracket x comma y comma z bracket close. Now the diagram is like this. This is x, this is u, this is y, here this is t, s and q. As q, this will be z, this y and x, and this point will be o and small a. This will be b. Like this. I hope you've understood. We'll show the diagram like this. I hope you have understood till this. Here, at this moment, we will end this chapter, sets and relations. I hope you have understood this. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in another part with new interesting topics. Thank you.